I built a faceless YouTube channel from zero and got it monetized in less than 3 days. No camera, no budget, just free AI tools and a secret strategy almost no one is using. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, how much did I earn, I'll show you with the tools I used, and how you can replicate this step by step. The secret nobody's talking about. Everyone's trying to go viral with shorts or entertainment videos, but I discovered something different. YouTube's search algorithm is the real goldmine. While everyone fights for homepage attention, I targeted how-to and problem-solving keywords. These videos rank #1 on Google and YouTube search and stay there forever, bringing in passive views and revenue for years. How I did it in 3 days, step by step. Let me walk you through my exact process. Step 1, niche and keyword research, day 1. I didn't guess, I used free tools like Google Trends and ChatGPT to find untapped keywords. I searched for topics people desperately need help with, especially in high-value niches like finance, software, and productivity. My first keyword had high search volume, but zero competition. No one had made a video about it yet. Step 2, script and voiceover, 100% free. I used ChatGPT, free version, to generate a powerful, engaging script in minutes. Then, I turned that script into a professional voiceover using 11 Labs free tier. You get 10,000 credits monthly, enough for around 15 videos. I chose a confident AI voice that matches the tone of my niche. Step 3, visuals, safe and free. Instead of expensive stock footage, I used short movie clips, 1 to 2 seconds, from platforms like yarn.clips. Under fair use, you can safely use these snippets if you transform them with zoom-ins, text overlays, or color grading. I mixed these with free stock videos from Pexels to keep the visuals dynamic and engaging. Step 4, editing, zero cost. I edited everything in CapCut's free version. Added captions, background music, and a consistent green color grade to make the video look professional. The entire process took less than 2 hours per video. The results? Proof it works. I uploaded my first video. Because there was no competition, it ranked #1 on YouTube search in less than 48 hours. The views started pouring in. Day 1, 500 plus views. Day 2, 1,500 plus views. Day 3, 4,000 plus views. By the end of day 3, I hit over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I applied for monetization and got it approved in less than 2 days.
How much I earned? Real numbers. This isn't theoretical. Here's what those early videos made. A video with 12K views, $180. Another with 20K views, $400 plus, thanks to a high RPM from a valuable niche. And it kept growing. One video alone made over $1,700 from 85K views. How you can do this too. I've put together a free guide with all the prompts, tools, and steps I used. Just drop me a comment and I will send it to you directly. No paid courses, no upsells. If you're ready to stop overcomplicating YouTube and start seeing real results, this is your blueprint. Subscribe right now and turn on notifications because I'll be sharing more breakdowns like this. Your faceless, profitable YouTube channel starts today.